Hello and welcome to the T&B Learning Bite on how to combine your lecture slides and audio files. In the previous Learning Bite, I've introduced you to the audio recording software Audacity, which you can use to record and edit audio files. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and do so. In today's session, I'm going to show you how you can use your audio recordings to add those to your slides to create a video lecture. You can use any video editor software you prefer. However, for today, I'm going to use the Movie Maker video editor app from Microsoft. Click on one of your lecture slides and select it to be open in the video editor app. Now you can import all of your lecture slides and add them to your video stream. Next, select Add Custom Audio. Use the sliding bar to position your audio. Press play to watch your slides while listening to the audio. Adjust the length of each slide to match your words to the slides. When you're happy with your combined lecture slides and audio files, save your video. I hope this Learning Bite was helpful for you. Please do not hesitate to contact me or participate in one of my Q&A webinars. All the best for now. Have a great day.